This is the first time that we've come here as a producer.
I paid shitloads when I came here.
I'm in prep for this film called Aina. It's with William Moseley. It's like an Indo-UK film. Twice for films, once for a paid red carpet appearance and once as in I didn't pay. This is the first time that we've come here as a producer. So we had a film that was, we had submitted in Mandela Critique, which is the Critics Week, directed by Shuchi Talati. It's our first film as producers called Girls Will Be Girls. It came pretty close, but we're here to meet some of the other festival programmers, distributors, sales agents, and to do the behind the scenes work.
मुझे समझ में नहीं आ रहा क्या हो रहा है मैं एक स्ट्रीट से दूसरी स्ट्रीट भाग रहा हूँ I thought I'll come here to chill but this vibe is next level मतलब you can see like this whole everybody knows everybody somehow it's just been cinematically very how do you say satiating I was promoting my film Kandahar तो उसका plug in मार रहा हूँ मैं so but वो 26 को रिलीज हो रही है फिर suddenly I didn't have any press to do and I was like रिचा यार तू कैंस जा रही है तू मुझे ले जा तो मैं आ गया
Yes.
so yeah
And the cutest thing is that I went to get my accreditation and I submitted as a producer, but this is my photo.
Yeah, they had a workshop from Masan. Huh?
They had it saved in the system from Masan days. So that's why I look really angry. When people look at the photo, they're like, "Kya hua isko?" You still have to be like well dressed as I used Sucharita. As an actor, it's a very different experience when you're talent and you come here with a film. Then you have the whole red carpet and the hair, makeup and whatever. We have one of those to attend too, tonight, tomorrow and the day after, in the nights. But as a producer, this is actually where the business of films happens. So it's a big learning experience for me because humble baby steps. We've just been doing back-to-back meetings and hanging out with some of my friends who have not been able to hang out with in India, like Sneha Khanwalkar, like Kanu Behel, and it's been amazing.
Get your accreditation because I paid shitloads. When I came here, I was late. अभी तक मुझे movies नहीं मिली हैं देखने को because producer hats on, so we've been meeting a lot of people, busy and actually locked in two things which we're very excited to announce soon. But book करो सुबह उठते ही क्योंकि sunset by the way is very misleading.
Sunset is late.
It happens at 9 p.m. So right now it's already 7:30. So 7:30.
7:30 बज रहे हैं. I just want to show everybody आसमान क्या हो रहा है इस वक्त.
है ना?
Well, this is the French summer. That's why sun will set around 9:30 p.m. I was actually shooting in the UK, so this became a 2-hour flight for me, which was great. Not shooting, I was in prep for. Is a Mrs. Doubtfire is driving down.
Oopsie.
Bonjour.
Bonjour.
There you go.
So cute. Oh my god.
That just happened.
I'm shooting. I'm in prep for this film called Aina. It just got announced. It's with William Moseley. It's about PTSD, the immigrant experience, and it's like an Indo-UK film. So baby steps for me to do international stuff, following in the footsteps of my hubby.
It's been amazing, by the way, visiting the Indian Pavilion as well. There's been some really interesting, and the Doscos were here, so I was really excited because that's from my school. So I had a little heart-melting moment with all the boys.
Listen, the boys, they sang the Doon School ka anthem at our Shadi Ka Sangeet also. So
that was my batchmates.
Thank you for chatting with me today, you guys.
Thanks, Sucharita. Have a blast.